Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? All the way from the resilient heartlands of Bicolanda, I rise as a radiant beacon of intellect and unyielding character, representing the indomitable spirit of a Bicolana. Mauragon, Magayon. My name is Maria Chastity, and I'm all the way last from the land that proudly celebrates our festival, Municipality of Pilar, Province of Sorsogon. A proud graduate of Bicol University, and I take up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. A beauty queen, a fashion model, and an endorser. And before I leave the stage, allow me to end this by saying, ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang ibinababa. At ang taong nagpapakumbaba ay siyang itinataas. Because in this world, we are born to be true and never, ever to be perfect. Thank you for welcoming